everyone in the spectrum of the rainbow, I would like to call on our director, Dexter M. Santos.
Maraming salamat po. Nakita niyo naman kung gaano kahirap gawin yung Delia D sa napakalaking stage at sa napakalaking capacity. It's always a challenge, but thank you guys. Thank you for your presence, your support, na palagi po kayo andito. Andito po kayo ng El Bimbo, andito po kayo ng Barugudoy Sunsagudod Stoy, at ngayon andito po kayo for Delia D. It makes everything all worth it. Thank you for believing in Filipino artists. Thank you for believing in Philippine theater. Buhay na buhay po ang Philippine theater. So wag po tayo magsawa. Please support Philippine theater. Ang buhay ni Delia ay napakahirap, pero allow me to acknowledge the members of the creative team who are here today. This is a work of love, of passion, and tireless work. So let me begin with, of course, our conductor, Mickey Jacinto, and the Manila Philharmonic Orchestra, our sound effects designer, RV de Maculangan, our makeup designer, Mama Ray de la Cruz, our hair designer, Johan de la Fuente, our costume designer, Mitoy Santana, our video designers, Joyce Garcia and G.A. Palyarme, our lights designer, John Badalia, our scenic designer, Lawin Cruz, our choreographer, Steven Viñas, our dramaturg, Rodi Vera, our music director and arranger, Vince Lim, our playwright, Dali Tulu. Let me call in our artistic director, Michael Williams, with co-artistic director and our associate director, Michael Williams and Menchu Laucento Tulo. And ladies and gentlemen, without him, wala po ang Delia D. Ladies and gentlemen, our composer, Jonathan Manalo!
Thank you, Direct Dexter. Grabe, isang masigabong palakpakan sa lahat ng cast and lahat ng creatives behind Delia D. Isa pong musical na inihandog namin sa inyo tonight, and maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nandito para sumuporta. Again, congratulations sa lahat ng behind ng creatives ng Delia D, sa Newport World Resorts Musicals. Palakpakan natin sila dahil sa pagsuporte nila sa locally made Filipino musicals na pwede tayong maging proud sa buong mundo. Isang palakpakan sa NWR Musicals. And of course, I'd also like to thank lahat ng mga friends na nandito, especially mga kaibigan ko sa industriya. Kasama ko sa ABS-CBN at ABS-CBN Music. Alam niyo po, ako po ay produkto ng ABS-CBN. Ako po ay naging winner ng 2001 Himig Handog sa Makabagong Kabataan, at doon ko napanalunan yung Taratena. At mula po noon, hindi na ako iniwanan ng ABS. They've promoted, they've made my songs famous, at I will always be indebted and grateful for ABS-CBN. Salamat Tita Cory, Direk Loren, nakasama ko sa mga lahat ng PBB songs na ginawa namin together. Vice, thank you for being here. I love you. Siyempre, Rampa, Bumbanes, Wag Kang Pabebe. At marami pa kaming tinarabaho ni Vice together. Siyempre, ang aking big boss sa ABS-CBN Music, si Sir Roxy Likigan. Sir Roxy, I will forever be grateful for you. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta. At kasama natin sa audience, ang ilan sa mga kumanta ng mga awit na narinig ninyo. Si Eric Santos, Pabigyan Muli. Si Kyla, For Beautiful Days. I know Shireen and of course Morissette are both here. Gusto ko na bumitaw. Laika is also here dun sa napakagandang closing song yung hawak mo. Thank you, Laika. And of course, marami pa ako mga artists na nakasama dito na kinantayin mga awitin at binigyang buhay ngayong gabi sa musical ni Delia D. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan Direct Dexter, Menchu, Michael, Maro, Joanna, everyone sa Newport World Resorts, maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng kaibigan kong nandito, hindi ko na mabanggit isa-isa, pero mahal na mahal ko kayo. At maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal. Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino! Mabuhay ang teatrong Pilipino! Marami pong salamat.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Chairperson, President, and CEO of Full House Theater Company, Attorney Gina Alvarez.
Napasalamatan na po nila lahat, pero gusto ko pong pasalamatan kayo, guests namin ngayong gabi. Nakakataba po ng puso na marami pa nagmamahal sa original Filipino work. You know, here in NWR, our chairman's vision, si Dr. Andrew Tan, at ipinagpapatuloy ng kanyang anak, si Kevin Andrew Tan, is really to make Philippines the Broadway of Asia. Ina-export po natin ang maraming talento natin. Pero we should have stages like NPAT that should celebrate Philippine artistry. And tonight, we're very thankful that we did just that. Special po ang Delia D because it's a social microscope. Nakaka-entertain siya, pero ang dami niyang tinuhog na issues and binalik niya tayo sa core values na kung minsan nalulunod dahil sa success, dahil sa lights and sa glamour. And I hope this is not the last time that you will watch the show. We encourage you to please tell your friends that we have such a wonderful Delia D show here in NPAT. Sana po panoorin nyo 20 times kasi sure ako panoorin ko ng 20 times. And sana po sabihan nyo yung iba, lahat ng mga kaibigan natin wala dito tonight, that there's something to look forward to here in Newport World Resorts. Maraming salamat.